to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn the multi-guest request on your TikTok Live. So first of all, you have to ensure you have the latest version of your TikTok app. You have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and you have to search the TikTok if there is any update available. And you have to launch the TikTok app on your mobile device here. So once you have launched the TikTok app, you have to tap on the button which is indicated by plus icon which is on the center of the screen. Just go and tap on the plus icon. Once you have tapped on the plus icon here, you can see the live option. You have to just swipe right here. Just go and tap on the live option. So you have to enter a title for your live stream and adjust any setting as needed. So you have to tap on the go live to start your broadcast. Just go and tap on the go live option here. So if you have 1,000 subscribers or followers on your TikTok, you can go live. So here I don't have the 1,000 subscribers or followers on my TikTok, but I can provide you the guidelines. So during the live stream, while live, tap the user icon or the guest icon, usually represented by a person or multiple people icon at the bottom or side of the screen. If you don't see this option immediately, it might be in the menu or setting icon. You should see an option to invite few as guest. So you can send the multiple user to join your live stream. You have to select the user you want to invite and send them an invitation link to join your live. Once the user accepts your invitation, they will join your live stream. You can manage the guests by removing or adding participants as needed during the live stream. When you are done, you can tap on the end to stop the live stream. By following this step, you will be able to successfully use the multi-guest feature on your TikTok Live. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.